Hello everyone, this is Amir from Mikanto Reviews doing my third video for AgencyProfits360. I'm also going to kind of challenge myself and see if I can actually do a shorter video for a change, because all of my videos tend to run over 15 minutes. So if you will, this AgencyProfits360 video is going to be kind of just in a nutshell what AgencyProfits360 is, and then also, of course, the announcement of my 25% cashback discount, which is exclusive to my website. Effectively, it gives you the best price online for AgencyProfits360. I guarantee you will not find a better price online, and that is because when you purchase AgencyProfits360 through my link, after the refund period ends, assuming you have not refunded your purchase, I'm going to send you 25% cash back in the amount that you initially paid. And that's on the front end product and the first OTO if you decide to purchase the first OTO. Full details of that can be found on my review page under the pricing and cashback section. This review page is linked below my video, and so all the details are there. I also have two other videos that are much more extensive than this one if you want to take a good look inside AgencyProfits360 and see how easy it is to use. But as far as what it is, it's basically, I'd like to think of it as a business in a box, because you're getting 6 professional quality WordPress themes in some of the hottest niches, and all of these themes can be deployed to create high-end custom websites with a very modern feel to them. And I'm going to show you a couple of these themes in a moment to show you what I mean by that modern feel, and also some of the features that you see on some of the more modern websites today. But I was actually drawn into this product. First I was reviewing it as an affiliate. Of course, I have a review page, so I'm kind of always looking at products from the affiliate perspective. But as I looked into this one, I was actually drawn in as a customer, because it made me think of all the times that I either had a website or had an idea for a website but didn't have the web design skills to create it, to the quality standards that I had, and then of course just times in everyday life when I've told people that I'm an internet marketer, an online marketer, and the only thing they seem to associate that with is someone that knows how to build websites. So whenever someone can use my help or my services, if you will, they'll ask me, hey, can you build a website for my business? And historically I've always answered that question with sorry, actually I don't specialize in web design. So to me, it hurts every time I say that, because every single time it's like a huge missed opportunity. I mean, these guys are willing to spend sometimes anywhere between hundreds and thousands of dollars on a website for their business, and when I'm not able to do it, they go out and find someone else to do it, and that's money that I would love to have. So with AgencyProfits360, no matter what you see your own web design skills as, or what level you consider yourself as far as web design or technical skills, none of that matters, because this suite gives you all of the tools and resources needed to develop these in-demand websites in any niche, regardless of technical skills or experience. So in other words, what that means is that all of us have a golden opportunity to start a website creation agency using these 6 beautiful and highly custom WordPress themes. And again, the going rate on some of these professional websites is up to thousands of dollars per site. So you can earn those checks or those earnings from people that are looking to have their business published to the web, and they're looking to build their online presence. So with that said, pretty much giving you a quick summary of Agency Profits 360. With that said, let me show you the back end of Agency Profits and some of the templates that come with it. Again, I'm not going to go through all of them in this video. I've covered them more extensively in my other videos, which are linked below this one if you want to check them out. But I'm gonna scroll through one of these random templates here, and you'll see exactly why I was telling you these are very modern and professional layouts. And the best part about them is that they are so incredibly easy to customize. You can change any element that you see here by literally hovering over that element, clicking on it if it's text, and typing. You just type right there on the screen as if you were in Microsoft Word or something. And then for forms like this, you just hover over the form and click the properties icon. I've also covered that functionality in my other videos, but I'll show you really quickly in this one too. It's just a matter of going into the visual builder here, and then you're off to the races. But notice that as we scroll down, you're seeing like animation effects take place on the home page. Those are very easy to change and implement as well. It's just literally a matter of clicking the animation drop down and choosing the animation that you wish to use. But you see, this is a fully responsive site. You have, everything is very engaging. You have the ability to add so many different elements and features to your website. And let me show you one more theme here, one more template before we preview the builder, the editor. This is the social media agency. And so again, just a very sleek and professional design here. Alright, so okay, so let's go into the visual builder, and you're going to see how you would, for example, edit this website. And if you really want to see me doing more edits, then check out the videos below in my description. But for now, suppose you want to change the text here. You literally just click inside, highlight or backspace or whatever you want, change text here. You want to change the color of a button, you literally just click on the properties, and then all of your options are right here. There's no programming involved, no coding, none of that. Button drop down here, there's our color. Just click on that color. Let's say we want it to be red, and notice when you change the color, it actually updates the page for you on the fly, which is really cool. I'm going to change the border to red too. We can do that. So there you go. Very easy to change images. All you would have to do is click on the image, properties, click upload, come into your media library or your hard drive, select a different image, click upload, and if you want to make it proportional with the rest of your template or homepage, like as you can see right now, this is much larger, but you just come over to sizing and literally just move the slider down. And again, you see it's a live preview, so it's very easy to see. If you want to make the section larger or smaller, you just click and drag like this. Oops, that was the wrong section actually. I wanted to adjust this. There we go. There we go. So it's literally all visual. And then let's say, you have your form here at the bottom. Again, you just always have to click the properties button and then make your changes. The row settings, actually, let's see. Alright, let's make sure the form is selected. And okay, here we go. So here's our contact form. You can see the fields there. Supposing you want to drop a field like the company name, you just click the trash icon. You can add fields. You can change the display. For example, field ID. If you want to change what it says there, you put full name. You can choose whether it's a mandatory field or an optional field. Add all kinds of stuff. Basically, it's just a matter of point and click, drag and drop. That's all this involves. So, and that's why, for example, if you had a client, right, that says, I love these templates, can you customize it so that it reflects, my business and what I do? You absolutely can do that, because whatever it is they want to display on the website, you literally just modify by pointing and clicking and checking the properties. It's very easy. Anyone can do it. If you want to change the overall layout of the home page or the web pages, you can do that. There's also another feature in here. We bring up social media agency. I'll show you that before we wrap up the video. It's kind of like looking at your website as a blueprint. This is the Divi Builder, and you can see each section here. So like we have the top section here. You can see that there's 2 elements in the first row. And if you come back over here, these are those 2 elements. You have the text on the left, image on the right. Or actually, I guess this is technically your first row. So you have text on the left, menu on the right, and right here we see it text, because the menu is technically text. So you can add elements here by clicking insert modules, and of course you can remove them as well. You can add sections or remove sections. It's all visual, as I said earlier, and extremely intuitive, extremely user-friendly. So that is just a quick recap of AgencyProfits360, a quick review and a quick demonstration of the product itself. If this is something you believe can help you, or you want to start running a business creating these websites, which you can absolutely do with this AgencyProfits360, then I want to let you know it does come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you'd like to get the best price online, again, the link to my review is below this video, and I am offering this exclusive 25% PayPal cashback offer that you will not find a better price anywhere else. I'm basically, what I'm doing is splitting my commissions with you 50-50, and that's how this is possible. And I'm doing that instead of giving you a handful of cheap PLR bonuses that have probably nothing to do with AgencyProfits360. And frankly, they're not the reason you're purchasing AgencyProfits360. So I feel like, people in general would prefer cash. So that is what I'm offering. And that's about it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. I'm doing cashback offers across the board now. So as new products come out, check to see if I'm reviewing them, because if so, you can get more cash back on those products as well. Alright, thanks again, and I hope to see you in my next videos.